SOLIDWORKS has over 2.5 million users in companies and educational institutions across 80 countries. Companies use our commercial licenses to design the best products in the world. Students use the Education Edition to learn more about design and engineering. Somewhere in between, researchers turn ideas into products of the future. What kind of licenses should they use? Let's say you're a researcher at a university exploring a new product. You've received your funding and are about to start design. If you've used the SOLIDWORKS Education Edition, you know SOLIDWORKS saves a tremendous amount of time and effort with its fully integrated, easy-to-learn advanced suite of 3D CAD and analysis tools. But educational versions of software are not fully compatible with commercial editions, so using the SOLIDWORKS Education Edition could trap your files in a restricted format and limit your ability to bring in revenue through patents, license agreements, or company-sponsored research contracts. Commercial versions of software have unrestricted use that researchers usually don't need. And since budgets are always tight, they don't want to pay for anything that isn't essential. Luckily, there's the SOLIDWORKS Research Edition. SOLIDWORKS Research Edition software contains no academic watermark, is fully compatible with all versions of SOLIDWORKS and SOLIDWORKS partner products, and follows the same release schedule as the SOLIDWORKS Commercial Edition, making it perfect for collaboration. The full suite of SOLIDWORKS products is available at a substantial discount for qualified researchers at qualified institutions, saving more of your research budget for other investments. And since all SOLIDWORKS products come with full service and support from our world-class local resellers, you can be confident you will get the training and expertise you need to bring your ideas to life. Go forward a few months to when you have a working design. You can now apply for a patent, license your design to companies, and secure more research grants to create new applications. Fast forward again, you've used your idea to build a startup company. Because your design was created with the SOLIDWORKS Research Edition, your original files are ready for use with no delay, allowing you to fly past your competition. Thanks to SOLIDWORKS Research Edition, researchers spend more time creating value instead of worrying about the limitations of their software. To learn more about the SOLIDWORKS Research Edition, contact us at solidworks.research@3ds.com or through your local value-added reseller. Or visit our website at www.solidworks.com/research. SOLIDWORKS Research Edition. Unrestricted collaboration, full SOLIDWORKS support, research pricing, your imagination unlimited.